I'm sorry it's a little dark, but my camera's acting weird today, and I don't know what's going on with it. I hope it's getting fixed. And welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe below, comment, and give it that big thumbs up if you like it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make fake nails with just Play-Doh. And you're going to need a ball about like this big. It depends on how long and wide your nails are. And we're out of school because it's snowing. Oop. Sorry. Okay, you need a ball about that big. Ew, okay. Okay. So what you do, you take a piece that you think is big enough for your nail. And I think a piece about this big is big enough for my thumb. Because I don't have very big nails, see? And I think that piece is big enough. And this spread's really good, so I don't think you really need that much, but anywho, sorry. My hair looks so messed up, so anywho. So I'm not bragging in any way that I have Play-Doh or something, but okay. So you just take it a ball and you put it on your nail. Okay, I'm sorry I messed up. I think I'm gonna need less Play-Doh. Cause this spread's like really, really good. Sorry, but I started saying it again, but I'm gonna do my pinky now. Cause my pinky is my favorite finger. Sorry. And look, that turned out actually really good. Okay, I'm gonna do my other finger. I'm gonna do my pointer. Cause that's kind of. Sorry, I'm not talking that much, but yeah, I'm kind of sick. And it should look something like that. So subscribe below, comment, and give it. I said that in the beginning. I felt like I did. I'm sorry. Bye, guys.